finish. A, B, C, D, E, F.
What comes after F?
D. Obedient.
You gotta finish the alphabet.
No.
What comes after G? Are you being cranky this morning?
I don't know.
Oh, okay.
Oh, Daddy.
Can you make the dolphin sound for mommy?
Yeah.
Good. What does the dinosaur sound like?
So, like?
Yeah, what does dinosaur sound like?
Yeah.
Yeah. How old are you?
Good.
You're good.
1, 2,
You're-
half.
You're 1, 2.5.
You're almost
have
2.
it.
Alright, you want to see yourself?
Yeah.
Okay. Smile and say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.